If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Chevy Equinox LT in Summit White. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, power adjustable driving seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,795 miles on the odometer, Chevy MYLINK infotainment system, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, electronic stability control, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5501.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.